Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add multiple stops to your Lyft ride. Whether you're picking up a friend or making a quick errand stop, this feature makes it easy. So let's get started. First, open the Lyft app and log in. Tap the search destination box and set your pickup location. Now enter your final destination in the end field. To add another stop, tap the plus icon next to the destination. A new field called Via will appear. Type in the address of your extra stop here. Confirm your final stop in the end section. Choose the ride type that fits your needs. Make sure your payment method is ready, then tap Select Lyft. Finally, tap Confirm Pickup to book your ride. And that's it. You've added multiple stops to your Lyft ride. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.